is exercise 5, time speed distance. Let's go through the question of this exercise. Question 4. An athlete runs from A to B and returns at 10 kilometers per hour, while another athlete simultaneously runs from B to A and goes back at 15 kilometers per hour. If they cross each other for the first time 12 minutes after their start, they will next cross each other after how much time? Let us draw the schematic diagram for this question to understand it completely. An athlete is going from A to B and he is going from A to B at 10 kilometers per hour. Similarly, the athlete from B to A has a speed of 15 kilometers per hour. Both of them are supposed to reach the other end and come back to their original position. So that means the athlete at 10 kilometers per hour starts from A, reaches B and comes back to A. Similarly, the other athlete starts from B, goes to A and comes back to B. Okay. The question is, they cross each other for the first time 12 minutes after they start. They start simultaneously. So when they are starting simultaneously, the first time they will meet will be closer to A because the speed of the person starting from A is lesser. So they will meet somewhere here. What is the distance they have covered? The total distance covered is equal to AB. If I say the distance between A and B is D, the total distance covered is D. Okay. So the total distance covered is D kilometers when they meet for the first time. So they covered D kilometers in 12 minutes together. Now one of the common mistakes which is committed in this question is the moment you get D, you say that they met up and we know the speeds of 10 and 15. We will say the speed is 10 plus 15, 25 kilometers per hour, and they are meeting 12 by 60 minutes. So let me calculate D. That is not required. Let us understand why. So the first meeting happens at this particular point and the distance covered is equal to D. When will the second meeting happen? The person who starts from A would have gone to B, would come back and let's say come here. Let us assume the meeting happens here. What has happened in this process? At this point of time, A has gone to, the athlete from B has gone to A and returned and reached here. So what is the total distance covered? The distance covered by the first athlete is D plus this portion and the second athlete is D plus this portion. But what is this? This is also D effectively. After all, this is nothing but the length of the track or AB. So effectively the total distance covered when they meet for the second time is not D, 2D but 3D. A common mistake is that we'll mark the answer as 24 because the first time they have met, they have covered a distance of D. Second time they have met, we will incorrectly assume is 2D. And if for D they are taking 12 minutes, for 2D they are taking 24 minutes, that's an incorrect answer. Please understand, when they are meeting for the second time, the distance covered is 3D, not 2D. 2D is an incorrect thing out here. So to cover D kilometers or to cover the distance of D, they are taking 12 minutes. So to cumulatively cover the distance of 3D, they will take 12 into 3, 36 minutes. Or the correct answer has to be choice D, 36 minutes.